Leandro. Hi, Neil. How do I integrate reviews when I list my product to another Amazon marketplace? Okay. So here is a great product on Amazon. So this is on Amazon.com, okay? And we can see the ASIN number there is B01N1UX8RW is the ASIN for that. And that product has got that ASIN, okay? So it wouldn't matter where I sold this product, it would still retain the same ASIN. So Amazon tracks things not with a UPC code, but instead with their own Amazon standard identification number, AKA ASIN. So let's just see what's happened with this. So we're on Amazon.com. Let's change it to Amazon.co.uk. That's all I've done. Just change the TLD, the top level domain, boom. And here is exactly the same product on Amazon.co.uk. Notice the ratings, dun, 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 okay? Let's go for another marketplace. Let's try it on Amazon in Canada. Let's see if they're selling there. Doink. Here it is in Canada. Amazon Canada. Notice the ratings. Ba, 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 ba. It's all on the ASIN. What about, are they selling this product in Mexico? So that is .com.mx. Here it is in Mexico. Notice the reviews, the ratings. All right, so it's the ASIN that's important. So what the hell does that mean for you? Pretty simple. When you come to sell your product in other countries, there's really two ways that you can do that. The first is by setting up global selling account, a unified account, which you really ought to do. The second is to simply come here and decide. So if we just take this ASIN, let's go. What's this? What have I got open here? Oh, this is a product. Okay, this is something I was looking at earlier. So let's suppose, I don't know if this is on Amazon. This is Amazon in Germany. I don't know if it's selling in America. So let's have a look. And then I just take the ASIN number. So you would do this for your product. You're selling on Amazon.com.au. You come across to Amazon.com or Amazon.ca, and you type in your ASIN number from your original .com.au. Hit on search, and of course nothing happens because that was a blodge. Here we go. Don't go down. Oh, there we go. Then there it is. So now I can start selling this product. I can apply to sell it on that particular account. So that's actually obviously a gated product. So I'd need to apply to sell it. But that's how it works, okay? And once you do that, Amazon then consolidates all your reviews on all your platforms into the same ASIN. So it's the ASIN that has the reviews, not the platform that has the reviews. I hope that makes sense, okay? So that's how that works. Pretty simple. Can I easily switch from Australia to, can I easily switch from Australia to a global account? Yes, you can. Dead easy. Best night I've had. This has been the best night that you've ever heard. Well, that is fantastic. I'm glad that you've had fun tonight. All right, so that's all my questions.
Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.